Second year in a row we've had the generous sponsorship from Honda, and we are going to announce the lucky winner of the 2012 Civic Hybrid. And I guess I'm going to open this and pull a ticket, and let's see who is the winner this year of the Honda Civic. And the lucky winner is from Newport Beach, Giovanni. Congratulations to them, and thank you very much, Honda, once again. We appreciate it.
We've really enjoyed working with Honda, and it's been, we feel, really a win-win situation. So we look forward to many future years of working together.